All right, so today I just want to make a quick update on what's going on with PR30 and how my videos are going. Because the last update I've made was, I think, day 10 or 11, and now it's day 22nd, I believe. So basically, my goal for day 10 was to at least incorporate some sort of like editing or make the quality of my videos a bit better than what it was on day 10 compared to now. And honestly, I haven't done that at all. I've been super bogged down by work. Like I've been in New York for the past 3 weeks and I've been working a lot on that. And I think my goal was really just to sustain this consistency. Like I really wanted to make sure that even if I didn't have time to do any editing at all, I was at least able to publish every day, which I was able to do consistently, since like day zero, basically, until now. So I think in that case, I'm very happy because like even though I haven't edited, I still kept that consistency, and I kind of did get rewarded because a few days ago I published a video on remote work, and for some reason I guess the algorithm picked it up. There's a lot of comments on that video itself, and now it's at 370 views, and my brother just told me that, which is basically my best video that I've done so far out of like 27 videos. And I'm surprised because my first four videos that I've published were actually scripted. I wrote it down on Notion, I filmed myself like with cuts and all that, and then I edited everything, I layered music on top and like even effects and all that. And the one that I just like filmed myself for 10 minutes, published on YouTube, no edits at all, that one was able to get like 370 views, which to me is like kind of cool to see. And I think that like the lesson really that I take from this is that I think eventually you can get to a point where you're able to do really good videos and get a lot of views and get a lot of subscribers as long as you're able to be consistent. The only thing is that you should be okay with a super long timeline. So for example, I'm pretty sure that if I publish a video every single day for the next 10 years, I'm probably gonna be at like, several K subscribers. Like, I don't know if it's gonna be 1K or 10K or 100K. Like, I don't know the magnitude of subscribers that I'm gonna have, but I'm willing to bet that if I do this every single day for 10 years, I'm gonna be very close to, that area of subscribers. And that's without any editing at all and without adding anything that I'm doing my videos to right now. But I think that if you're able to incorporate these edits and you're able to make your videos just a bit better, then that reduces your timeline to the goal that you want to actually have. So I think the most important thing is that I consistently put out videos. Eventually, what I would want to do is make higher quality videos, but I think higher quality just comes with the number of reps. And the more reps I'm going to be able to make, the better my quality of videos are going to be, because either I'm gonna like learn how to speak better on camera, I'm gonna have like better outlines just in my head because like I know, like let's say remote work, I know that it did really, really well. So actually a lot of the times when I'm brainstorming ideas, I'm like, oh, like how can I replicate like what actually went well with remote work video, and how can I replicate that in future videos? Obviously, so far I haven't been able to because maybe I didn't crack the code, and maybe honestly it was just luck, and it was like a good title with a good topic, and that got picked up. But I think the more that I go, the more data points that I'll be able to use to say like, okay, well, either maybe my audience likes this type of video, so I can concentrate on this area to talk about, or there's like certain little elements that I introduce in videos that I'm not really aware of that I can replicate and create like some sort of formula and reproduce that for more videos going forward. And I think as long as I'm able to publish stuff, that's more data for me to get. And eventually with the more data that you get, you're gonna see exactly what's going to work and what's not going to work. And again, then you're gonna be able to incorporate these better changes and improve the quality of your videos, even if I don't even do any editing, I don't do like any special effects or anything, I'll still be able to improve my videos. So that's really a small update that I wanted to make. My realization is really the most important thing is to be consistent and continuously publish videos. And I think that even past, PR30, whenever it's done, my goal is still to continue publishing videos every day. And I think the one thing that I would want to do after or whenever I have time is actually start publishing snippets of these videos on Twitter. Because I'm speaking for like 10 minutes, there definitely are a lot of good like clips that I can use and just like comment on that on Twitter. And I think that could be very interesting. That one of my, well, he's also my friend and some guy I look up to. His name is Kay. He started doing a podcast every week, I believe, and he does that exactly, which is like he knows that this topic is pretty important, or like this clip of his like 2-hour podcast could potentially go viral. Is gonna do some numbers. So what he's gonna do is like take that 2-minute video, just post it on Twitter, and he'll be able to comment on it. And that just like, I think being able to make videos every day just gives you a lot of content to talk about, and I can reuse over and over and over when I want to expand on some of these topics or like link other things together. So that's it for me, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.